Today, and I just wanted to show you one of the worst hinge designs I've ever seen. I mean, if you're an engineer, you should know better than this. Cantilever is a real thing, engineers, especially HP engineers. I mean, look at this. You see that? That's all. There's nothing holding it down here. If there was something to hold this from coming away, but you know, if they'd put a screw right down here, but instead you get this. Everything's right here. Look at that. Really, HP? I mean, seriously? What genius thought that was a good engineering decision to not anchor it anywhere near the bottom? So it all cantilevers right here. Freaking ridiculous. It's one of the worst designs I've ever seen. I hope they get sued on this. This is just bad.